Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Twilight Sparkle set in Heartopia X My Little Pony update. Okay, if you want to get this set, guys, you need to participate in the Little Pony event. You're going to go to this menu to open up My Little Pony event, and then you're going to go to the Rainbow Vehicle collection and select the Violet Fantasy. Okay. And here you'll be able to get the Twilight Sparkle set. And if you're lucky, guys, you will get the special treasure, which is the Violet Fantasy vehicle. And to unlock each item, you need to have the exhibition pass. And you will get the exhibition pass by joining event. For example, this event, Harmony Tree Awakening. Or you can claim it for free right here from the Little Pony Connection. You will be able to claim it for free. And once you have the exhibition pass, you can go to the Rainbow Vehicle and you're going to, you're going to use the exhibition pass to draw, and you will be able to unlock each item. I've already unlocked each item, so I got the set, the Twilight Sparkle set. Okay, and this is for the draw rule. You will now receive duplicate treasure during the event. All treasures are guaranteed within 6 draws. Okay, and I've draw 5 times. So I got this set, guys. And if I draw 1 time again, I will get the Violet Fantasy, but my exhibition pass is not enough. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Twilight Sparkle set in Heartopia X My Little Pony. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!